Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Kenzio here as always. Welcome back to another interesting video.
Let me introduce you.
This is apparently the first video I am filming after pregnancy. So you guys, you saw me last in my pregnancy. OGs on this channel, thumbs up. You guys, thank you guys for watching my videos. Thank you guys for subscribing. New subscribers on this channel, I see you all. Thank you for considering subscribing to this channel. Thank you all for watching my video. I appreciate. I see all the love and support, the comments, the like, the everything you've shown me on this channel. Even though we are just quite few in numbers, but I know we are going places. So you guys, thank you so much. I appreciate you all. So you guys, please ignore my face. These are some of the pregnancy whatnot. They all came after I gave birth, so hoping or looking forward that they will go with time, so it's nothing to worry about. So you guys, please ignore my face. So back to the demo of this video. I'm going to be introducing my new boss to you, a boss on this channel. We are going to be running things on this channel together, as you've seen the title. So you guys, some of you know my pregnancy story. They are all on my channel. So basically, if you are new here and have not seen my pregnancy series video, please scroll down. You definitely get to see them. So you guys, thank you all. As I said earlier, I am going to be introducing my baby boy to you all. You guys know I recently gave birth. We are less than 40 days, and I am going to show you guys my baby boy, and of course tell you his names and tell you the meaning of the name. So my baby boy is here and he's currently sleeping, but I'm going to be showing you. Look at his face. Baby boy, say hi to YouTube family. Baby boy is saying hi in his sleep. He's still sleeping actually. See my baby boy. So you guys, look at my baby boy. Look at my baby boy. So you guys, meet my baby boy. He's currently sleeping, and you guys, pardon him. I'm sure on her next video. What's it? Hello. Hello. Look at the person I'm introducing to YouTube family. Okay, he's awake. Look at her face. My baby boy is not in this video at all. He's not even he's not even. Hey baby boy, oh my goodness, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry baby. So you guys, I'll be sharing with you guys his names, my baby boy. You guys, you know African parents, you know African mentality. If you are a first time mom, you can relate. So my baby boy apparently has 22 names in total. Of course, I named him just 2. His father named him just 1. His calling name, that's what his father named him. My father-in-law named him just, hey, my baby, sorry. My baby is not in for this video. So you guys, my baby, wait. Let's quickly end this video, please. Hold on a second. My baby boy wants to eat. So you guys, as I was saying earlier, my father-in-law named him his Muslim name. My parents named him some names. My mother-in-law named him some names as well. So his names in total are 22 names. 22 Yoruba names. So you guys, oh no, 21 Yoruba names and 1 Muslim name. So you guys, we are going to be focusing on just 2 names, and the names are we are going to be focusing on just 2 names, which is his calling name and his Muslim name. His calling name is Surulere. Is that clear? Surulere is a Yoruba name. So if you are interested in calling me, you can call me by my name Bukola, or my nickname Bukenzio, or of course my baby name Mommy Surulere. So you guys, my baby's name is Surulere, that is his calling name, while his Muslim name is Ismail. Roger that. My baby's name is Surulere Ismail. So I'll be telling you the meaning of both names because we are going to be focusing on just two names. The other names, they are all Yoruba names. So before the end of this video, I might be telling you some of the names. But before then, let's get into the details of the meaning of the two names. So Surulere means patience is virtue. Patience is profitable. Patience is rewarding. There is gain and profit in patience. So you guys, I'm sure you understand what this means. Patience, if you are patient in anything you do, if you are patient with anything you do, you definitely get results. Definitely get the profit. So if you are looking forward to get something at all, I actually don't know what you are looking forward to, but I promise you guys, please be patient and look up to God. You definitely get it, because patience, just like my baby boy's name, Surulere, patience is profitable. Patience is rewarding. So let's go to the Muslim name, Ismail. Ismail quite has a number of meaning as well. So the one I googled out is what's it called? A gift from God. Of course, my baby is a gift from God, and of course, he is a meaningful smile. It brought smiles to our face. So my father-in-law named him the Muslim name. So the two names we'll be focusing on this video is Surulere and Ismail. So you guys, if you are new to this channel and if you are seeing me for the first time, I'm a first-time mom based in Nigeria. I'm a lifestyle vlogger based in Nigeria. My name is Bukola. You can call me Bukenzi or Mommy Surulere. So you guys, apparently you guys have known my baby boy's name. Of course, I'll be sharing with you guys every other update about this journey. Of course, I have a video coming up as regards life as a new mom, life as a first-time mom, coping with newborn. Oh my goodness, you guys, that's a whole video. That's an entire video, because you guys just look forward to that video. So please subscribe to this channel for more updates. Click the notification bell beside the subscribe button so that you get notified each time I upload a new video. So you guys, thank you so much for the support, for the love, for everything you've shown me on this channel. I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. Please consider subscribing for the sake of my baby boy. So some of my baby names are Adedapo, Iremide, Temitope, Oluwadamilare, Ayomikun, Oluwatiṣe, Àánú Olúwapọ̀, Ìmọ́lẹ̀ Ayọ̀, Olúwafẹ́mi, Abọ́láńlé, Olúwaṣeyìfúnmi, Ọlámilékan, Bọ́lárìnwá, Tèmítáyọ̀, Bọ́lájókòó, Ọlátúnjí, Nífẹ̀mí, Adéwálé, Adéyẹmí, Fífẹ́hànmí, Akande is actually his oriki, so Akande. Those are his names. Those are his other names aside from the two we mentioned in the beginning of this video. So you guys, I hope you love which of the names are for you. Which one is your favorite? Just let me know. What are your thoughts about this name? These names rather. What are your thoughts about these names? Share with me in the comment section. I would love to read from you. So you guys, my baby boy is not in this video at all. Like, he's not even bothered. So you guys, pardon us. We are sleeping today. We'll be awake in our next video. So you guys, thank you so much for viewing this video. Thank you so much for watching till this stage. I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. I love you all, and I'm sure you love me too. Bye for now. First time mom is signing out. Love you all. Bye.